Oh. Cool. Every time I do this,
Yeah.
I swear that I'm going to keep on doing it
Yeah.
because I forget how much fun it is.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, this is fun. It's
It is
more
fun.
intense than road racing or something about it, you know?
It is because it's so quick.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah,
the mental
yeah.
RPM is a lot more intense.
It's just the drag of it is you work all day for 5 seconds worth of run.
I know.